B&O always puts out nicely designed products, so aesthetics were never going to be an issue here. The design of the Beoplay E8 is lush. I'll start with the buds. They're subtle, which might be an odd thing to say about earbuds, but nevertheless worth pointing out in comparison to the showy dangling toothbrush design of the Apple AirPods. Then there are the controls. The buds use touch-sensitive pads to control music and take calls. There's also a transparency feature, which enables audio pass-through so you don't entirely shut the world out. That's useful for maintaining awareness of your surroundings when you're crossing the road, for example. There are 3 levels of audio pass-through, which you can adjust in the Beoplay app. Once you've chosen your setting in the app, the buds will remember it until you change it again.